attempting to add cruise control to my car. It's a 2003 Toyota Corolla CE, and yeah, we're gonna check out the inside of the hood, see what it has or what it doesn't have, and then we'll look inside. Alright, so here we are inside the car, inside the hood. As you can see, it doesn't have the cruise control, but it does have the it does have the place where you can add the cruise control. See there's holes there, and there's nuts down there. I mean, it's gonna get hooked up too. So yeah, pretty much, you need the whole actuator system, cruise control, and yeah, we'll be removing this line here. See this one? It goes directly to the gas pedal. There's no cruise control or anything like that. So, alright, now inside the car, in the other years on the Corolla, they have like I guess it's a plug and play thing on the gas pedal where you can just I don't know, add something and your cruise control will work. But this one doesn't. I think 03 and 04 don't have that. And on the brake side, this one has that brake light sensor, or the stop light sensor, which will also be used with the cruise control. You see how this one here, it only has two lines. On a cruise control one, it will have four wires. But I will show you more of this part in a little bit. So this is the inside of the car, the brake and the gas. I think we're gonna have to remove that part there as well to put in the new cable that is connected to the actuator. Now on the dash, so I had taken the cover out, a while back to see what I need inside. So pretty basic stuff. There's a screw that holds here. There's also a cover here. There's this cover here. Pretty simple. It just goes like this. There's this little clip screw. Which I'm calling a clip screw, is that because, I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, over here is that it's a plastic screw where you just screw a little and ply it out. So yeah, and you just remove that cover, and then you'll get something like this with the screw there. There's this screw right here. Pretty much just like that. Just take that out. This part here. To take this out, you need to press that clip there and another clip there. Just push them back and they will come out. Let me get a screwdriver real quick. Alright, so I got my screwdriver here. So watch. Let me see. Where is that? Oh, okay, right there. See that? So you just push it back in like this. You know, two hands would definitely be better, but yeah, I think you get the idea. Just push this back and use the other hand to pull it up. So I push those two clips back. Pretty much it comes off like this. It's pretty easy to take out. You just turn it inside. Turn it a little bit inside like this. And just pull it out. There is a connector here, electrical connector, which you know if you need to take it out, you just unplug it here. Just a little clip there. Push it in and pull it out, but we don't need to take it out right now. But I just wanted to show you what to look for inside the car. So you see that piece there? I actually installed that there. That piece wasn't there. This here I got from another vehicle. So it's just a clip there. Let me take it out real quick. So yeah, I just took this piece out. I think it's called a module. So I got this one out of actually I think it's a 2003 or 4 Matrix, and I saw that the serial number there, 2050, matches with the Corolla as well, and also on a Toyota dealership parts website. I saw that, I think it was an 03 to something of Matrix worked with the Corolla as well, up to a certain year, so you just have to look into that. But yeah, so my car didn't have that. My car was like this. My car had that connector. Let me see if it will focus. There you go. So yeah, my car was like this, so it didn't have that that module. So yeah, so pretty much, you just need to check for those things. Make sure your car has, the connector for the module there. Under the hood, make sure make sure it has the place for the cruise control actuator. And yeah, and find those parts, and make sure your brake, on top of your brake there's that sensor there, the stoplight sensor. If yours has the 4 wires, then that'd be great. You don't have to do some electrical stuff, which I will be doing as well. So so you will need that, the module. Let me see. Alright, so this is the stoplight switch. Yeah, actually that's what it's called. It's called stoplight switch. This one is with the cruise control. So this one also I got from that same Matrix at my local junkyard. Yeah, so you see how this one, the stoplight, has four wires. So I will need to somehow transfer 2 wires to my stoplight switch. Either transfer or connect or something. So yep. Also, I got these here. This is the switch. Let me see. Oops. So this is the switch that I got from a 2007 Corolla from a junkyard. You know, it was front impact, so the engine was messed up and the airbag came out, so they didn't take the steering wheel. Usually, you know, at a junkyard they'll just remove the steering wheel with the cruise control switch and everything. But fortunately I found one. You know, the airbag came out, so they just left everything there. So I was able to get this switch here from the 2007. I found that it is compatible, you know, according to the Toyota parts site. And I also managed to get the cover for the cruise control where it goes in, so that, you know, I'll just change it out from here, so that way I don't have to you know, drill and cut and everything, because this is where it came from, so it's pretty much, you know, right on point. Yeah, so I think it's the other way, but yeah, pretty much right on point. I also have the screws for it as well, so I took the screws too. The other thing I forgot to mention was that inside the hood, you know, there's supposed to be I guess they call this a pigtail connector here. So this is supposed to connect to the actuator, and the wire is supposed to connect to the I think it's the ECU, the ECU unit connector there. I think it was this one here. I need to look at my notes again, but yeah. So we'll have to you know, connect the wires to that port there. You know, I cut some extra yeah, so this was what's in that the matrix. So see how it's divided? This side here, this is all cruise control wires, connectors here. So I'll be removing these and putting these in with that one there, because that one doesn't have these. Yeah, and just reconnecting these wires to this pigtail, because this was connected together. I just cut them off. Yeah, but let me take you to the hood and tell you what I was talking about. So normally, if you know, if your car has cruise control, this pigtail here would be coming out, you know, one of these through this wire bundle. It would have been like this. It would have been somewhat like this, and that pigtail would go into your actuator, which would be somewhere here. So since my car didn't have it, you know, I took this out as well from the matrix that had it. So yeah, so we'll be connecting, you know, this to the actuator here, and like I said, inside the car, just, you know, connecting the wires back to that connector to the wires. Alright, so I'll show you the actuator I have in the trunk. So this is the one that I got from the junkyard, from the matrix as well, the whole system. So you see how it is? So this one goes into the gas pedal, and this one goes into the throttle. So there you go, and this was what I was talking about, the connector here for the pigtail. It goes like this. So, you know, my car didn't have this, so I had to get this connector here along with the whole wiring. And then I'll just connect it to the to one of the ports there. Yeah, I have the electrical diagram for this cruise control, so I just need to put them together and connect them. But yeah, so I guess that's the beginning of this project here. Yeah, so the next thing I will do is connect the switch. I'll put the switch on the steering wheel, and you'll see.